This is the lockdown that never ends. And I'm still judging you all. Fortunately, my drinks cabinet never ends either. Tonight's drink shall be the Negroni. This is a beverage that has gotten me through all sorts of things. Most of them illegal in most of the Australian states. I recommend 1 part Cinzano Rosso, or another sweet red vermouth. 1 part Campari, except no substitutes. And 1 part dry London style gin. Charles Tanqueray makes quite a good first pour. You won't go too far wrong with his work anyway. Add 1 single large ice cube or 2 regular size ice cubes and a twist of orange by expressing the oil across the top, rubbing the edge of the glass, and you now have yourself the way through.